Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to sum cells in Excel. For example, I have pasted some data on my Excel sheet. For this, I will use three methods. I will show you how to use auto sum function. Next, how to sum cells manually, and next one is how to sum non-adjacent cells. Suppose one cell is here and I want to add this and this one, then how it can be done. All these three options I will see in this video. So let me start without any delay. First one is auto sum function. Suppose this one is data and I want to sum it here, so click on this one cell and then go to home tab, this one home, and then editing tool. Here you will find sum button, just click on this one and you will see all the cells have been selected. If you want to uncheck some cells, you can simply press Ctrl and then use this function like this. You can or you can select all at once. Just click and drag this one. After selecting your desired cells, just press enter on your keyboard and you will see some appeared on your selected cell. Next one is you can manually sum also. If you want, just click on this one cell, double click on the cell, then type is equal to, after that sum function will start, then bracket. After that, select your desired cells like this, close the bracket and press enter on the keyboard. Result will appear on your selected cell. Next one is if you want to sum non-adjacent cell. Suppose I make one fill one data here. I want to sum this and this one, and in this one cell I want to sum this and this in F9 cell. So how you can do it? Just double click on this cell, type is equal to, then sum, start the bracket, select the desired cell, press Ctrl, again select your desired cell, close the bracket. If you, and you can as many as you can select. After selecting all the details, close the bracket and press enter on the keyboard. You will see sum in your selected cell. Thanks for watching this video. If you want to read more about this, I have a tutorial also. I will leave link in this video description. Thanks for watching this video. Bye.